Hello everyone, just here with a quick tip. I'm repairing some water-damaged MDF cabinet doors. Gonna show you exactly how I fix this, but first we have to clean everything up. Now this is the worst spot in terms of swelling, but these doors have a lot of peeling paint and drips. I really like these extendable snap-off blades. This one is an 18mm. It holds up well to bending, but be careful because they will snap pretty easily under too much pressure. It's always good to be in a habit of cleaning MDF debris. This stuff is not good for your lungs. I also recommend wearing a mask. So as you can see, this part needs a little more trimming. It's not quite dry. For the repair to work properly, you have to make sure it's completely dry. I'm using a heat gun here. High heat can peel finish, so use with caution. Now the goal here is to seal the loose fibers completely. This is a super glue and an activator spray, medium viscosity. We need to let the glue soak in for a bit. I'm just using a painter's palette knife to help spread it out. Medium soaks in well, but it does run around a bit. After you give it some time to soak in, you can spray the activator. It cures nearly immediately. As you can see, the loose MDF has bonded well. Any filler that you like or have will do. I like Timbermate because it has a nice creamy consistency, and if it dries out a bit, you can just add some water. Now you may not even need a filler. I had some pretty deep gouges, so I had to repair those, but you may find that the CA glue is all that you need, and then you can get right to painting. Giving it a quick sand with 320 grit paper. Make sure you give everything plenty of time to dry between these steps. Any primer will do, but I like this Bin shellac-based primer. It dries really fast and creates a good bond with the old paint. Now you can just go ahead and sand everything smooth. This is more of that 320 grit paper. So all that's left is painting. I hope this quick tip helps you out. Thanks for watching.